Hey dolls and gents, your girl is back with a new video, and today I am showing you exactly how I installed this wig from Gorgius Hair. This is my first time reviewing a wig for this hair company, and I have to say that I am pleasantly surprised by this wig. The wig did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked. I'm going to show you how the wig looked as soon as I received it. I'm going to show you exactly how I installed it. This is their boho textured wig. It is a curl that they made to be like a wild and free type of vibe. It is definitely giving me big fullness right now. I did go ahead and cut this wig. I was going for not quite shoulder length, but a little bit longer, and I wanted it to be super full, so I did a nice chop of the hair, and I love the way that this looks. It is so freaking cute, and it was so easy to install this. I did not have to use any heat products on this hair. I did not have to re-wet the hair. I co-washed it after I bleached the knots on the wig, and it was perfect. So I don't want to talk too long. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, definitely click that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. Otherwise you might miss it, and keep on watching to see how I installed this bomb wig right here.
Shout out to Gorgius for sponsoring today's video. The wig came with a wig cap, also this gorgeous zippered bag. Inside the zippered bag is an edge brush, bobby pins, elastic band, hair clips, and tweezers. Here's the natural texture of the wig after co-washing. This is their boho curl. It's super cute. And here's the inside construction of the wig. It comes with 2 wig combs in the front, 1 in the back, and an adjustable strap. The hairline on this wig already comes pre-plucked, and the closure comes pre-bleached. All you have to do is throw this baby on your head, and it is ready to wear. Once I apply the wig, I'm going to get it situated where I want it to sit on my head. This is how the curls are looking right now, and here is how the hairline is looking. The hair already came parted in the middle, but I'm going to show you what it looks like parted on the sides. As you can see, it looks super natural. It does have a freestyle parting, and even though it's a closure, it's giving that frontal look. I'm going to go ahead and get the hair out of the way with a few hair clips, and I'm going to cut the lace with this eyebrow razor. It is perfect for getting a jagged edge on the lace. And as you can see, as I'm cutting it, it already looks super natural. To adhere my wigs down lately, I've been loving this Eben Wonder Lace Spray, the yellow one, and it is perfect for laying my lace down if I only want a day or 2 wear. Next, I'm going to use my fingers and also the back of my comb to lay and melt the lace into my skin. It's very easy, as you can see, just a matter of pressing it in. Baby hairs are definitely optional with this wig, but I did want to go ahead and pull out a few light baby hairs in the front on each side. And I'm going to cut the baby hairs with my eyebrow razor. This is going to give it a really nice rugged edge, which looks perfect for when you're laying the baby hairs. Before I lay the baby hairs, I'm just going through that middle parting again, just to make sure I can get it as straight as possible. Now it's time to lay the baby hairs. I'm using a bit of gel, and I'm laying the middle baby hairs first. Then I'm going to lay down the sides. Like I mentioned, I just need light baby hairs because this wig looks very natural on its own. So you could definitely leave the hair just like this, but I want to add a bit more fullness to the hair, so I am going to give it a more blunt cut, which I feel looks even better than it did straight out the package. Do not be afraid to cut your wigs, y'all. It can give you that personalized look that you are going for. Like, I'm super obsessed with how this turned out. Lastly, I'm going to go in with a bit of mousse just on that top parting area, just to lay it a little flat. I don't want it super flat because the hair is big. And here is the final look, y'all.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't end, but it's too.
So I hope y'all enjoyed me installing this gorgeous wig from Gorgius Hair. It is a super cute wig. It's definitely a different vibe for me. Y'all know I normally go for long, like 28-inch, 26-inch, but this hair is like perfect. I'm like on a new wave. I think that I'm liking shorter and shorter, so maybe I'll go a bit shorter next time. If you're loving the shorter styles, let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section down below. And if you're interested in checking out this wig from Gorgius Hair, I will have the link down below, as well as any coupon codes that I have for y'all. Black Friday is coming up, so there are a bunch of sales going on, so don't miss out on these bomb wigs. I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have not already checked out my last video, be sure to click the box right here and it will take you straight to it, baby.